Hey everybody, this is going to be the first screencast in a series of 4. So for this one, I'm just going to show you how to start it out. So the goal for this screencast is to show you how to select a theme and how to change the theme if you don't like what you see, and then how to change the layout of each slide, and then I'm going to eventually enter a math inequality. So I'll show you how you can do that as well. So when you first start up PowerPoint, you should get to this screen. It says New. So you have the choice to start a blank presentation, and then if you click that, you could go ahead and change the design in the next screen, basically, or you could just pick whatever Microsoft has to offer on this screen right now. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to click on Celestial, and then it gives me another pop-up window where I can actually change the color. I'll just change it to pink for fun. And again, you don't have to use what I'm using. You could just pick your own. I'll hit create, and it should send me to a new PowerPoint slideshow with the pink background. So you can see I have the same Celestial background that I just changed. So if I don't like it, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the ribbons. So the home, the insert, design, transition, those are called ribbons. It's actually under design. And then you can drop this down, and then this is how you change it. So it's the themes that you change. So you can click on basically any one of these that you like, that you want to change it to. But right now I'm just going to leave it at Celestial, so I'm not going to choose any of them, and I'm going to go back to the home ribbon. This is where I'm going to show you how to change the layout. So if you don't like the text boxes that are starting out with, you can change this. So I'm going to actually change it to title only. When you have this drop-down menu, you kind of just have to pick and choose and see what your needs are for your information that you're going to write. My needs, all I need is a title only. I just need this text box right here. And this is where I'm actually going to place my inequality. So I'm going to click inside this text box to where it says click to add the title. After that, I can just press insert, go to the insert ribbon, and you guys can see this pie up here. It says equation. If I click on that, that's what's going to allow me to enter all the mathematics in there. So I'm going to start typing my inequality. And I'm just using the keyboard for this, nothing spectacular. And when I type in the parentheses, again, I'm just using the keyboard for that as well. But the thing is, when I get to an inequality, I know I can use the keyboard for less than or greater than, but it's the less than or equal to, greater than or equal to that I might get stuck. And here's where this mathematics ribbon comes into play. So up here in symbols, you can drop this down, you'll get a bunch of symbols, but the less than or equal to, greater than or equal to is in the basic math. You don't even have to drop this down where I am. So all I'm going to do is click on the less than or equal to, and then finish out my inequality. So I'm going to finish out with negative 6a plus 38. Okay, and then another cool thing is if I want to resize this, you have the option to drop the size, this button down, and change it from here. But what I could also do is use these 2 buttons right next to it. So this little guy will shrink it and the big guy will enlarge it. I'm going to put it a little smaller, and what I'm going to do is drag the text box in the corner. So for the next video, we'll start getting into other things. For the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to just add a picture onto the slide. So that's it for now.